do a zigzag and a straight stitch on the arm openings first. The next step is to do a zigzag stitch around the perimeter of the front of the neck, or do a serger stitch to close the fabric so it would not fray. This was the first step. Second step, serge stitch or zigzag around the whole front collar. Third step is to place the front and back together with right sides facing each other. Pin the armholes together. And sew the shoulders together on each side. Pin this armhole and sew the shoulders together. The next step is turn the collar in the back down. And if you have a label, place that in the middle, the center, and sew that when you sew the collar. At the same time you sew the collar. You can do it like that. Or you can hide. You can actually double quarter fold and do it like that. I think I do it like that. That looks better. And sew the back collar and the label. Pin around the collar and sew. Now that I have the back neck sewn and my label, now we're going to sew the shoulders together. So you want to pin the armholes together just below the starting point of the shoulders. And pin the shoulders together like so on each side and sew the shoulders. Shirt is coming along. I'm trying to figure out how I want to do the front collar airplane wings. Let's see. You can do these one of two ways. See, these are the airplane wings. One of two ways. Let me lie this down and show you. So, the airplane wings, you can either do it the simple way and fold them down over the front collar like this and sew that part. Sew that part like so, Sew that part like that and just leave it be. Or you can do it the harder way before you sew the back collar, you can place it on the back like this and sew it like this to the back collar, like this. And then sew the flaps together like this. That will make it more taut and give your back collar more girth. I think I'm going to do it the simple way and sew the airplane wings to the front sides like this and leave it be, because I already sewed the back collar. Next time I would do the difficult way and show you how it looks. But for this DIY video, I'm going to do it the simple way and sew it like that. And all we have to do is sew the sides of the garment together and we'll be finished. Now the blouse is finished. You can see there's a crease in the front. That's because I made this blouse out of a dress I had that I wore pre-COVID. It was extra large and I had lost enough weight to not wear it where it looked really big on me. So that extra large dress allowed me to make this shirt, which will fit a large and a medium person. I think I'm going to take it a step further and put the sleeves on the shirt that I had on my dress. I'm just erasing the chalk off the shirt. So let's see if the sleeves will fit in the armholes I created for this shirt. And this piece I'm going to cut out and keep for another project. The sleeves, if they will fit the armholes of this blouse I made, I'm going to sew them on the blouse. And the sleeves did fit. So now I have a cow neck, drop neck, rippled neck, whatever you want to call it, with 1/4-inch sleeves that I can wear to the office. Let me show you how the back looks. And that's the back.